What's up guys, it's Ben from Theme Park Groupie. Thanks for watching our video of Kumba roller coaster at Busch Gardens Tampa. This is always such a fun ride. Even though it's starting to become overshadowed by some of the newer coasters, it still is near and dear to my heart. The most liked comment on our recent video, Carousel of Progress, comes from the Sun Collective 147. They said, "I found this ride creepy. Like I'm in Westworld and Yul Brynner was going to come bursting through any minute, guns blazing, lol." I guess I can kind of get that vibe. Let us know in the comments what your favorite ride is at Busch Gardens Tampa. The most liked comment gets read on our next video. If you guys did like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. Thanks for watching Theme Park Groupie.